So here's Samantha Jean, and she's just starting to crawl, and it's early June. She does a good job. You gonna come at your toys here, honey? Come on. Look at you go. Look at you go. Oh, a little bit of a face plant. But you did a good job. Yes, you did, honey. Yay! You got the shovel. You got the shovel. Okay. What else are you gonna grab? Huh? Oh, you get up on all fours? Oh, such a strong baby you are. Okay. Should we turn the camera off now? We got a good picture of you crawling. Okay, baby girl. Say bye-bye. You just say bye-bye. Okay, honey.